our 4-mold popsicle maker. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 41¼ inches, a depth of 26 inches, and a height of 39 inches. The height for the motor on top, we're looking at least 5½ inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be your power switch, along with the temperature controller to adjust the high and low and the settings for this popsicle maker. Coming to the top will be the area where you can dump in your ingredients for each mold and produce the popsicles. Each mold will have 40 slots or 40 compartments to pour in your ingredients and to create your popsicles. And the shape of the popsicles will be as shown here. Measurements for the actual mold itself, from handlebar left and right, we're looking at least 13¾ inches in length. Overall height, from the bottom to the top of the handlebar, we have at least 11 inches. And again, you'll be receiving 4 molds with this shape of popsicles that can be produced with each mold. So if you have your own molds that has the same length, depth, and height, it can be used for this machine. And last but not least, the measurements for each compartment producing the popsicles will be at least 4¼ inches in height, with a length of at least 3/4 inches. So again, this popsicle maker will include 4 molds, and each mold will contain 40 compartments or slots to produce 40 popsicles. So 40 popsicles times the 4 quantity of the mold to be receiving is 160 popsicles per batch. Coming to the side of the popsicle maker will be a sticker with the technical information, along with the freon and liquid needed to produce the popsicles for this popsicle maker. And that freon number will be R410. And last but not least, on the bottom will be this 110 voltage plug that's required to use and operate this popsicle maker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.